Q3 minus Q1. All right, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here's your homework video for this evening. The very first thing that I want you guys to do is to open up to your table of contents. I've even been bad about this. We've done a 5-point. Gosh, I've even been bad.
Miss, I just throw this one away.
Shh, David, I'm recording my video. Yeah. 5.5, intro to quadratics. 5.6, vertex and a point. And tonight, you guys are doing 5.7, standard form of quadratic functions. So very first thing that you should be doing is writing in your table of contents, and that way it can help you when you guys are looking back on your notes. Now find your next blank page. At the top, you're going to put exactly what we just put. 5.7, standard form of quadratic functions. All right. Draw your line going down, your line going across. First step, what is vertex form? Vertex form is what we were learning last week. F of x equals a times x minus h squared plus k, where h comma k equals your vertex and x comma y equals a point. What is standard form? What's nice about vertex form and standard form is these two equations you do not have to memorize. They're going to be on your reference materials. So f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where c is the y-intercept 0, c. When a is greater than 0 or positive, the parabola opens up. When a is less than 0, or when it's negative, you've guessed it, this parabola will open down. Final notes are steps to go from vertex form, or V form, to standard form. First step, use FOIL or box to square the binomials. Step 2, rewrite the equation with the trinomial. Step 3, distribute or multiply the a value. Step 4, combine like terms. Combine by adding or subtracting your like terms. As a refresher, FOIL, F stands for first, O stands for outside, I stands for inside, and L stands for last. Your O and your I are going to be like terms. Box method, we practiced today in class. Is like x plus 2, you multiply to get each of your box terms, and you combine your diagonals, which would give you x squared plus 4x plus 4. So for example, we're going to do one together, and then we'll do more of these tomorrow, but I just wanted to show you one. Y equals 6, x minus 4 squared minus 1. This is in vertex form, and we want to convert it into standard form. First step, it says, according to my steps, is to use FOIL or box to square the binomial, because x minus 4 squared is just x minus 4 times x minus 4. Now, I personally like using box, so that's what I'm going to use here. X minus 4, x minus 4. Multiply, x squared, negative 4x, negative 4x, positive 16. Combine my like terms, x squared minus 8x plus 16. Excellent. So that's what I'm going to rewrite right here. I found what x minus 4 squared is. So this is going to equal 6. That comes from the coefficient in front. X squared minus 8x plus 16. And don't forget your negative 1 at the back. Second step was to rewrite. That's what I've already done. Third step is to distribute. So this equals 6x squared. 6 times negative 8 is negative 48x. 6 times 16 is positive 96. Minus 1. Last step is to combine like terms. My 96 minus 1, my two constants, are my like terms. So my final expression is 6x squared minus 48x plus 95. We'll do more like this tomorrow.